Okay, so it started again. Nothing. I didn't do nothing. So taking it out, putting it back in, and going down here. Everything is in, and then it pops up again. So I'm sure when I stop videotaping it, it will go away. So let's just follow it. And all those marks are not for me. All those marks are from they come and they do that when I'm at school. So usually when it's charging, you'll see a little charger thing there. And it's not there. It was there and then it went off. So we'll see. Now it went off. I don't see the percentage going up. Still at 1%. So I have a feeling it's not charging because it should have gone up to 2% because that's one of those chargers that goes up. So you see it went back out. And there's charging again. So that lets you know how they mess with my charger.